a $10 bill, turned into a 167% return by selling candy. And that's the least impressive idea on this list. Today, I'm sharing 5 unusual ways teens are making real money this summer. No resume, no application, no minimum age. Just smart thinking about where value hides. A dad named Chris Kerner tested all of these with his own kids. I'm going to show you the financial math behind why each one actually works. Let's go. Number 1. Buy by the pound, sell by the ounce. Go to a bulk candy store like Winco or any store with a bulk food section. Buy candy by the pound at wholesale prices. Then sell it by the ounce to your classmates, neighbors, or at school events. Chris gave his kids a $10 budget each and turned it into a competition. Whoever grossed the most in the first week keeps the profit. Everyone else pays him back the $10. This is called arbitrage, buying in bulk cheap and selling in small amounts for more. The numbers: a pound of gummy bears costs about $3, 16 ounces. Sell each ounce for 50 cents. That's $8 revenue from $3 invested. That's a 167% return on your money. On candy, you'll learn pricing, margins, what sells, how to manage inventory, and how to talk to customers. In 1 week, you can't learn that in a classroom. Number 2, make and sell jewelry. Buy a bracelet or jewelry making kit on Amazon for around $10. Make the jewelry, sell it. Where? Etsy with a parent's help. Local farmers markets, school, friends, Instagram, Facebook Marketplace. We covered this in Season 1. Remember Mia who made over $5,000 selling bracelets on Etsy? The math: a $10 kit makes 30 to 50 bracelets. If you sell them all at $5 each, that's up to a 15 to 25 times return on your investment. The lessons: manufacturing cost versus retail price, photography, customer service, and marketing something you made yourself. One heads up on Etsy and Facebook Marketplace. Both require account holders to be 18, so you'll run these through a parent's account with them supervising. That's not a roadblock. It's actually a great reason to bring a parent in as your business partner. Number 3. Farmers Market Booth. Find a local farmers market near you. Most allow vendors to book a booth for anywhere from $20 to $50 for a day. Sell jewelry you made. Sell plants. Sell anything people would buy. Quick but important: if you're selling food you baked at home, check your state's cottage food rules first. Some require a permit or a food handler card. A quick search of your state plus cottage food law tells you exactly what you need. Here's what makes farmers markets uniquely powerful for teens. People genuinely love buying from young entrepreneurs. The story of a teenager running their own booth is a marketing advantage all by itself. The financial lessons go deep here. Fixed costs: the booth fee you pay no matter what. Variable costs: your materials. And break-even: how much you need to sell before you profit. Example: $30 booth fee, $1 cost per item, $5 selling price. You need to sell 8 items to break even. Everything after that is pure profit. Real business math. At age 14. Number 4. Flip stuff on Facebook Marketplace and eBay. Lowest startup cost on this list, because you start with stuff you already have. Clean out your attic, garage, or closet. Ask your parents if you can sell their old stuff for a commission. Chris gave his son 20% of everything he sold. His son made hundreds of dollars and learned photography, pricing, descriptions, and shipping. Then level up. Garage sales, thrift stores, free stuff on Craigslist. Clean it, relist it for more. That's flipping, and it scales. The math: buy something for $2 at a garage sale. Sell for $30 on eBay. After fees, you might net $20. 10 times your money from knowing what something is worth that someone else didn't. One heads up: eBay and Facebook Marketplace both require account holders to be 18. Run these through a parent's account with them supervising. Again, built-in business partner. Use it. Number 5. Electronics recycling. Go to friends, family, and neighbors and ask if they have any old phones, tablets, or laptops lying around that they don't use anymore. Most people have a drawer full of old iPhones they'll never look at again. They don't know how to sell them. They don't have time. You do both. Collect the devices. Look up their value on eBay or Swappa. List them. Sell them. An old iPhone that someone was going to throw away might be worth $50 to $100 to the right buyer. Get 10 of those, and you're looking at $500 to $1,000 from devices that cost you nothing. Here's what connects all 5. Every single one takes something with low perceived value and turns it into something worth more. Bulk candy becomes packaged treats. Raw materials become jewelry. Old stuff becomes cash. Forgotten electronics become real money. That gap between cost and value is a profit margin. Learning to find it is one of the most valuable financial skills you'll ever build. And whatever you make from any of these, split it into your 3 jars. 50% spend, 40% save, 10% give. Every dollar in your save jar this summer starts compounding immediately. Remember video 2. Here's your challenge. Pick one of these 5. Just one. The one that fits your situation and interests most. Figure out your startup cost. Calculate your potential profit margin. And start this week. You don't need permission. You don't need a resume. You don't need to be 16. You just need to start. If this gave you a new idea for making money this summer, hit subscribe. And let me know in the comments, which of these 5 are you going to try? See you in the next one.